Normally, when we do push-up, any type of push-up, so we need to take proper distance, like these two hands. So we need to take distance here. This much distance we need to take, and then leg also should be like this. There must be a gap between the legs. At the same time, the hands. Let's start Hindu push-ups. It's really very hard. I finished only 20. I can do more, but already I have done lots of exercises like with this one and with this abs roller. Already these two enemies, already these two monsters have eaten up my energy. That's why I could do only 20 these Hindu push-ups. So I'll try more next time. Till then, take care. Bye.